This is a dog. Dogs are loyal friends and love people. They enjoy running, playing, and wagging their tails. Now, let's draw a dinosaur. Dinosaurs lived on Earth millions of years ago. Some were very big and some were very small. This is a lion. Lions are called the kings of the jungle. They are brave, strong, and have a loud roar. This is an elephant. Elephants are the biggest land animals. They use their long trunks to drink water and pick up food. This is a cat. Cats are soft, cute, and love to play. They can jump very high and have great balance. Let's draw the cat. Now it's a monkey. Monkeys love climbing trees and swinging from branch to branch. They are very smart and playful. Now it's a rabbit. Rabbits have long ears and strong legs. They can hop very fast and love eating carrots and grass. This is an eagle. Eagles can fly very high in the sky. They have sharp eyes and can see far away. Now, let's draw a panda. Pandas are black and white. They love eating bamboo and enjoy relaxing. Wow! We drew all the animals together. Which animal is your favorite? Tell me in the comments. See you in the next drawing adventure.